After rejecting the government's release warrant, anti-corruption crusader Anna Hazare has spent the night in the nation's most high-profile Tihar jail. Anna is adamant not to move out of jail unless he's allowed to fast at JP Park. I'll get you some reactions that have been coming in from Tihar jail, where massive support has been seen this morning.
करोड़ थे तो आज 125 करोड़ हैं। आज हम लोगों के जवानों पे बेरोजगारी और हमारे पे जो कर्जा है इन भ्रष्टाचार लोगों की वजह से है। आज भ्रष्टाचार खत्म होना चाहिए। अन्ना क्या गलत डिमांड कर रहे हैं? हम क्या गलत डिमांड कर रहे हैं? आज सब लोग शांतिपूर्वक अपनी बात को रखना चाहते हैं और सरकार हमारे पे क्या अत्याचार करी। अंग्रेजों से भी ज्यादा बुरा जितना हमने देखा सुना है उससे भी ज्यादा बुरा आज हमारे पे अत्याचार हो रहा है।
प्रदर्शन है ये दिन ब दिन बढ़ता जाएगा और अन्ना जी ने जो मांगे रखी हैं, जो जन लोकपाल बिल है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है और उससे जो है जो ब्यूरोक्रेसी में भ्रष्टाचार है, किसी भी कार्यालय में जाने पर कोई काम बिना रिश्वत के नहीं होता और ये जो ऑफिसर्स लोग बैठे हुए हैं ये भ्रष्टाचार में लिप्त हैं। इनको ठीक करने के लिए, इनको रास्ते पे लाने, देश प्रेम सिखाने के लिए जो जन लोकपाल बिल में है कि सभी जो ब्यूरोक्रेट्स हैं वो इस लोकपाल बिल में आने चाहिए और ये गवर्नमेंट नहीं चाहती क्योंकि ये ब्यूरोक्रेट उनके चमचे हैं।
And Rhythm is joining us live from outside the Chhattisgarh Stadium. Rhythm, we saw unprecedented numbers there yesterday. Today again support gathering for Anna.
Absolutely, Niranjan. What we are seeing around here is phenomenal. Today morning there were some students who were gathered here, but now the numbers are only growing. Even inside the stadium that we are standing outside, the people are already once again protesting. They're all up. They're extremely positive at the demand. Let me go across to 20 Kuldeep, who is off there. He's been here since yesterday. Kuldeep, are you supporting Anna Hazare? He is in jail. What is it that you're finally demanding?
What he is demanding, we all know about it. He is asking for a Jan Lokpal bill to be presented in Parliament, and he is totally respecting the Parliament authoritarian. But what we are not allowed to do is the Anchan, which is totally peacefully and the fundamental right of us. They have not provided us a place till now, and I was picked up from Mayur Bihar from his residence yesterday. I have been all the night here, and people are here shouting his name, and we are just waiting for the update from Tihar jail, and we will definitely do what we are supposed to.
A lot of you are here, but the real question, have all of you really gone through the finer intricacies of the Lokpal bill that Anna Hazare had also wanted? Is it the crowd here? Does it really know what the Lokpal bill is standing for?
I'm not sure about all of us, but I have gone through the IAC website. I'm the member of IAC, India Against Corruption, and I have read a few amendments of Jan Lokpal bill, and I know the basic differences between the Jan Lokpal bill and the Sarkari Lokpal bill.
When are all of you planning to continue the protest?
Sorry?
When are all of you planning to continue the protest?
Until we get the Jan Lokpal bill represented in the Parliament, we will be here standing up for Anna and the cause. It is not for Anna, it is for the country and for all of us.
Let's also go across to a 20-year-old student who's joining us. You've also been here since yesterday. All of you, what is it that you're demanding?
We just want pass the Lokpal bill. We just support Anna Hazare.
Also a person, 27-year-old person who's joining us from Rajasthan. What is it that you're demanding? Alright, we will get back to you, Niranjan, in some time. There is more breaking news, so probably other news that will be developing here. We'll get back to you on that.
Rhythm, stay with us. In fact, we also had reactions outside Tihar jail. Manish Sisodia spoke this morning.
We are fasting here outside. I am fasting here. Many of us are fasting here outside Tihar jail gate. Your second point was senior members of the group are coming. Yes, I discussed with them. Many of them are coming around 11 o'clock. They will be coming here, and they have decided that let's make this as a focus point of our agitation. Though agitation has to go on in different part of the country, different part of the cities, as it was yesterday, and it's going on.